at Fred Meyer's, who are actually the donors for this event. It's called Shop with a Cop.
I'm really proud of what we're able to do here because, Sunshine Division, which is a nonprofit, works closely with the Portland Police Bureau. They're volunteering here today. Our donors, whether it's Fred Meyer or some other organizations like Camp Rosenbaum, and we have a fund that's set up specifically for this program that's been in place for almost 40 years.
It gives donations up to $200 of shopping for each child, which is part of the Back to School age kids. This is actually a program that makes the families comfort they need, but also makes it happiness to the youth and prepare them for the school year that's soon to be starting.
Really, it's teamwork, it's partnership, it's a lot of different people in the community coming together. We have regular volunteers here today from a credit union, and so, it's police officers, it's a charity, it's community members, and then we get to work with great organizations to identify the children. And so that's one of the things I love about my job is I'm able to kind of be collaborating with all these different entities for the good of the community, for the good of these kids.
The event was good. They gave us clothes, school stuff, shoes, food, and everything from Saco community.
It was good.
Oh, it was fun also. I got to meet new people.
I got school supplies, candy, and clothes. School supplies and clothes.
Matt Toby with the Portland Police Bureau with the Sunshine Division. We're here with Shop with a Cop. So it's something we've done for 20 years, and it's an opportunity for police officers in the city of Portland and some of our partners to invite kids in our community to come shopping with us. This year, kids have gotten $200 each. It's an amazing opportunity. Fred Meyer has been a great sponsor with us. Camp Rosenbaum has helped provide some of the income or the money for the event. And then we've had so many community partners, especially Seiko, who's a great friend of ours, and we're grateful for the community that we have. It's really the best time for us as police officers to connect with especially youth from our community that may not know us very well, and get such a chance for us to know them and for them to be comfortable with us, especially so that when they're in trouble and they need help, they'll always call on us.
The police officers were very nice and kind, and I'm thankful for them.
Thank you. It really helped me out. Thank you for your help.
We thank you for all the donors that participated and made this possible. We at Saco, this has been very appreciative for all those who donated their time and their also resources.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Renton News Channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.